Hello and welcome to Little Blue Star. I'm Jane Allen and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Today I've got a little set of 4 cards and they are the 3x3 note cards. So super quick. I thought I'd show you 4 different styles, all with the Christmas Scotties bundle, which is the stamp set called Christmas Scottie and the matching punch. But I just want to show you don't have to have it for Christmas. You can use it for other bits and pieces. So let's get started. So should we start with the Coastal Cabana? So I mean, they're really easy cards to make, so I thought I'd just nip on and show you some that I've done here. So we've got 6x3 and scored in the middle at 3, and then that's your little 3x3 note card. So that's the same for all the bases. I've then gone in a little bit, so it's 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. And what we're going to do for this one is use a blending brush and Coastal Cabana. So ink that up, and then I'm going to start from the corner and work sort of outwards, if you will, and obviously you can build up the colour as dark as you want, just gentle sort of swirls, and when you're happy with that, that's literally it. Easy peasy. Now I've gone for the little thank you from Hydrangea Haven. So it's this little stamp set here, Hydrangea Haven, and there's plenty of little images on there, little sentiments that I love, and this one I've gone for just the thank you all over, so just as a sort of background bit of stamping. And as I say, you just sort of stamp all round wherever you think you want your stamp to go. You can stamp off, so you can have the faded ones if you want, or you can keep it like that. Then obviously we need our little doggy, which is the Christmas Scottie. So I'm going to grab a piece of white and I will stamp my little Scottie dog. Where's he gone? Here it is, in black. And when I use my memento, I do a little swish first. So swish it first and then ink. Push it in and ink it up. And you get a nice image there. Where's my lid gone? There it is. Just put that on, otherwise I'll get it everywhere. Then we need our punch, which is here. So when you punch him out, you will line him up with a little tiny little border around. When you get it in the right place and you're happy, then I punch it. And then that out of the way. Obviously then you've got a little white bow that you can use for something else. That one I'm going to pop up. I'm happy with the thank yous all around. Obviously if you weren't happy, you just take him away and stamp some more, but I'm happy with that. So then we're just going to glue it on. So Tombow on all around the outside when it comes out. Okay. And then that's going to go onto there with a nice little border of the Coastal Cabana. And then I will pop him up on dimensionals, I think. So pop him over a few dimensionals on the back, peel them off, that is a super simple little thank you card. Number 1. So that's our little Coastal Cabana one. So that's that one done. Next one we shall do is the little black card with the sweet sorbet. So black card again, 6x3, scored at 3, so folds in half, so you get that lovely 3x3. No, God, excuse me. Oh, tickling my throat. I'm going to drink water. So this one here, I've gone for just 2x2 in the designer series paper. So that's literally going to stick in the middle of our card, and these are obviously double-sided, so you pick the one you want. I've gone for the spots, which I like. So that's just literally in the middle of our card, and then again we're just going to use that punch again and just punch out. Oops, that was from the last one. Punch out, there we go. Obviously you've got loads there left in that bit of paper. Punch him out, and he is just going to stick up on dimensionals as well. And we're just going to have the white doggy this time. Obviously you can put as many dimensionals on as you want, but I'm just going to go with 3, and then I'm just, instead of being in the middle, I'm just offsetting him so he's got his like the colourful bit coming out from his body, so his tail and legs are there. I just like that effect. And then if you want to add a little thank you, I have done there, so you could do that. Where's my little thank you gone? Why haven't you? Just clean that off quickly. Where's my cleaning thing? There it is. Obviously you don't have to, you could have them just as a blank, or you could ink it up and have it on there. Number 2. So, oh, obviously we forgot our little rhinestones, didn't we? A little bit of bling, don't forget that. Obviously you don't have to use these, but let's have a little bit of bling on there. There we go. That's number 2. And then we will do the blue one, which is all gorgeous colour. I love this colour. It is the Orchid Oasis. So again, there's our base card. Fold it in half, burnish it. You get your 3x3 inch little note card. Now this one I've gone for 2 by 2 1/4, just because he's a little bit wider, so I just wanted that effect. So that one's going to go in the middle of there. But as you can see, it's not quite square, it's 2 1/4 by 2, and it just, you want it landscape the longer side. And then you want a blue doggy, or Orchid Oasis doggy. So again, we're just punching that out. That one's all gone now. Then you're left with a blue bow for something else. Our doggy is going to be popped up on dimensionals. I'm going to face him the other way for this one, just to add a bit of variety. So I'm going to stick the dimensionals on this side and then turn him over. Obviously you could just glue them. I just want to add a bit of dimension there. There we go. And then we want our white bow. So that way, where did that go? There it is. The white bow that came when we punched that out. And this time I'm going to stamp directly onto our bow, so it fits nicely on there. So again, a thank you just on there. Try not to get my head in the camera. There we go. And that time it's going on his bow. So let's pop that up on a dimensional. And then I'm just going to have the bow on his neck there. And that is card number 2. No, it's not. It's number 3. I can't count. There we go. Just a little bit of bling. So just 2 there. And that's card number 3. Cute. And then the final one that I've done is the pink one, which is polished pink, basic grey and white. So again, 6x3, score at 3, burnish, you get your base card 3x3, and then we've got 2 1/4 by 2 1/4, so that's square, and then 2x2 in the middle. This one is going to be the sitting doggy. So let's ink him up. So squishy squish, and then get him all inked up. Now I'm going to go for the sort of corner, so nearer the corner. Sorry if my head's in the way. And then, so I want him sort of in that corner there. I'm going to have the thank you, or your choice of sentiment. I'm going to have it there. And then just to add a little bit of added extra, I'm going to grab my Stampin'Up marker, basic black, and I want the pen end, and just do some little swirly gigs going along the side there, just to add a bit of something extra. And then that's gluing on, so it's going to be glued onto our basic grey. Get that nice border. And then what I did then was actually popped it up on dimensionals, but obviously you could just glue it on. I don't know why my voice went all high then. But you can just glue it on if you want, but I'm adding just some dimensionals to add it up, to give it some dimension. Just going to pop another one in the middle there. There we go. And that is going in the middle like so. And then just to add a bit of bling, I'm going to add a lovely little diamond collar. So grab those, just pop them next to each other, and there we have a little diamond collar. So there we go. And that is card number 4. So I hope you like those. Get that one out of the way. So our 4 cards that we've made today. Thank you for joining me. I hope you like the 3x3 little note card style. I know I had a request for those, so hopefully that is satisfied that request. I'm obviously going to do some more, but give me a thumbs up if you like that. And as always, if you could subscribe, that would be brilliant. It really does help me out. And I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.